would actually have a master class, what would you be teaching?
I would be teaching
mind their business.
My name is Rico Nasty, and you're watching my design freestyle. Damn. So we have, okay, this is my favorite color. I mean, who doesn't like green? Grass is green, money is green. My makeup collab with El Maquillage is green. Oh, we gonna make this fire. Nuts. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. A healthy mix of nuts for snacking, parties, picnics, and sharing. Enjoy with friends.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
No, this is not that. Don't do that again without my permission. I'm guessing these are like stickers that I get to put on my stuff. Ooh, I like these. Okay, so this is going on my ass.
Period.
It's a lot of different ones. Okay. Don't get carried away now. Oh, yes. Okay. This is more like it. I like put this on the titties of the shirt. Oh, look. Oh, how did y'all get this picture? Oh, this is a picture of me and my dad. Oh, this is so cute. Secret ingredient. Is it candy? Ooh! I don't know if y'all hoes ready for this. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Rico Nasty or Real Nigga? Which one? Which one? I don't know. I keep thinking about what's gonna go on my butt. What? Look at. First of all, the strawberry. The strawberry. And then last but not least, the last thing in the box is a picture of me rapping when I was a baby. I'm really overwhelmed. Like, I see so much stuff that I like right now. Okay, this is very cute together because I feel like this is definitely Nightmare Vacation. So Nightmare Vacation, my debut album, it's about raging. It's about being extremely happy, extremely confident.
Bitch, on that.
Extremely whatever your mood is. In Nightmare Vacation, we got flames, we got palm trees, but we also got flowers, we got skulls, you know what I'm saying? Okay, this is gonna be my shirt, period. I'm gonna leave these just like this. Wait, no, I'm gonna do the back. I'm gonna add this on the back. This is also Nightmare Vacation because after the clouds, there's a rainbow, you know? And I really like this because it's smiling. I could really do this. Y'all seen that? That was smooth. Micah, come make this cool. Por favor. I like the way he said. Now I'm gonna start on this sweatshirt. No, I'm not. I'm gonna do the sweatpants. We're just gonna go fucking ham. Am I gonna call for help? Damn, Haley. Because this is my stylist. Her name is Haley Amanada. Pretty much a lot of the looks that you guys love me for, she's the one convincing me to wear this stuff. Obviously, I like this up here. You see this? This is cute. Oh, how do we wrap it around like that? If I wasn't doing music right now, I would probably be a nurse. Because that's what I was learning how to do at my job before I wrote iCarly. I actually got fired from my job for being on my phone all the time because I was promoting iCarly. Me and my manager boyfriend, we spent our last paychecks to shoot the iCarly video. How funny is that? Yeah. You guys gotta go with plan A sometimes. Fuck a plan B, because I don't know what my plan B was. I don't know what I was gonna do, but I do know that I was ready. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my God, I'm so excited for these sweatpants. I can do this. Like, I'm good at this. Like, a lot of things I'm not good at the first time. Oh, you know we need this. You know we need this. You know we need this. You know we need this, bitch. Can you heat press this here? Ooh. This my fans. I'm having fun. This is fun. Damn, is this what you guys do? Y'all just being here like, what you want to do, girl? Come on. Let's do it. We can do it right now. Woo! I hope I did this right. Wait, let me take this off. So this third piece, I pretty much already had put to the side. I knew what I wanted as soon as I saw it. Okay, this one's done now. Ooh, I did that. Okay, Micah, I'm ready now. Ma'am, you do not have to be so rough. Okay, guys, I'm peeling away. I'm about to do this. Oh, wow. This is so nice. She on there. Period. It's beyond satisfying. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all something. Wait, when I'm done with this one. Oh my God, I love this shit. I don't know why I like this. Okay, let me focus. Sheesh. So, this piece right here, I feel like this one is just, it's aesthetically pleasing. This is something that I would wear. And I just really love this strawberry. Okay, y'all, this is the cam shirt. This is the shirt that reminds me of Cameron. I got my rainbow. I got the Chinatown market, Rico Nestle. Once he taught me how to put stuff on the side, it was a wrap. Cause this don't clean, okay? This is clean right here. That's what you call clean, okay? These, I really like these a lot because of the back, okay? Like the butt, once again, when I wear my, oh wow, I subconsciously did that. Damn, don't you love when you like subconsciously did that? Like, fuck. So, I guess it does match because we have this on the front and then we have this same exact logo on the booty cheek. So, boom, boom, boom. That's really cute. Obviously, the front we have, oh my God. When you really like, that's hard, bro. I didn't even notice I did that. Damn. Okay, so on the front of the sweats, we have the Rico Nasty Cloud that is on the back of the sweatshirt. This is called Nightmare Vacation. I placed the decorations over nipples. I imagined nipples and I placed them as though they were pasties. And in the back, oh wow, the back. Wow, I must really like this thing because I put this on a lot of stuff. What's up, guys? I'm finally done showing and making all of these pieces. And if you watching this right now would want one, all you have to do is comment below. And who knows, maybe I'll be nice enough. Maybe me and Chinatown Mark will be nice enough to let you guys have some of this awesomeness that I just made myself. This is one of one. Custom. No one else will ever have this. You can be the flyest bitch in the room, guaranteed, on your money back. But yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you guys listen to Nightmare Vacation. And make sure that you guys watch all the majestic music videos that came out with it. I'm so happy to be back dropping stuff. I love you guys so much. And yeah, this time won't be nothing like the last one. Smoking so much gas, I forgot to put my mask on.